Preparing a pen for testing electricity. The test pen that detects the firewire will make a ticking sound. The orange ones are load lines and can be distinguished by color. The white one is the zero wire. You can distinguish it according to the color. The green one is the ground wire, which can be distinguished according to the color. Open the box and use the labeling stickers to mark the line separations. Black label stickers distinguish the firewire. White zero line label sticker to distinguish the zero line from the green label sticker for distinguishing grounding wires. Orange load label stickers to separate load lines. After the label sticker separates the lines, take the smart switch out and organize the wires. Unplug the head of the switch wire ready to be wired for use. Turn off the main switch. The green wire is ground. Prepare the screw caps for fixing. Connect the green wire of the switch to the marked green wire. Screw caps used for fixing the black wire is the firewire. Connect the black wires of the switch to the marked black wires. Screw caps used for fixing the white wire is the zero wire. Place the white wires of the switch and the marked white wires together. Screw caps used for fixing the orange wire is the load wire. Join the orange wires of the switch with the marked orange ones. Screw caps used for fixing. Use a tool to pry open the covers. Leave the switch using the face cap of the fixing layer fixed with screws. Just put the cover over it.